Hey friends, if desktop and taskbar keep refreshing with a black screen in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Then click on OK once again and then delete the files. But the second solution will be even more effective because most probably this issue has been caused by third-party software products. So here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Okay, and then you can find the display adapter drivers, expand these, right click on them, and then select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Right click, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And the last solution will be system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery. Select open system restore and then you'll have to configure it as well. So turn on system protection, apply, OK, let us create a restore point. And once a restore point is created, you can use it to restore your system to it later. Okay, I'll show you everything. Close this, click on open system restore, select next, select a go to restore point, click on next, click on finish, and then reboot your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.